In this demo, I would show you how to capture a bank statement and generate a complete Schedule C or T2, like they call it in Canada. First thing you want to do is you want to come in here to your account, and you want to go down quickly and check out this tax settings. You see you are here. I'm in the USA, and you can change this to Canada or the USA, depends on which country you are. The tax jurisdictions matter because what we call deductions, the deductions that we calculate, Rocket Receives calculates deductions for certain things like meals, and the settings for both countries differ, so we automatically calculate that. So what I'm going to do is come in here to capture. I'm going to select statement. In this case, if it's a bank statement or a credit card statement, if it's a bank statement, then the income automatically is detected. If it's a credit, and then expense is detected as well. But if it's a credit card statement, only the expenses are captured in that case here. But in this case, I'm going to work with my bank statement. So I'm going to come in here, select files. I've got my entire bank statements for 12 months, so I'll select all 12 right here, and then I'm going to hit process. And it will take a little bit of time, process all true, and we'll come back when we're ready. So my statements are done processing, and you can see right here, it is cataloged and organized them from the bank statements. You can see all the expenses that they picked out under the expenses section. And you can see also even the income as well. If I come into the income section, you could see on the revenue, you could see this is the revenue is picked up also for that period. So automatically it's been able to pick up all that income and revenue. So what you want to do is, I just want to show you something called the deductible. So for example, the sudden, and the cool part about this is that the statements captures the expense in line with the jurisdiction, the tax jurisdiction I mean, like in the U.S. now. Credit card payment, for example, is the name of this. This particular expense item category, it's categorized as credit card statement. So you could see that right here. It even tells me the deductible. Now, if I spent on something called meals, if I had any expenditure here that it automatically deducts as meals, you can see it has insurance. Let me see if I have meals here, anything meal related. Now, okay, I don't have any meal related expenses here, but if I had a meal related expense, my deductible will go in line with the jurisdiction, which is 50% deductible, so it will show it to me right here that how much deductible I am. I can come in here and pick it out. You can also even split it. So in some cases there, I will show you guys this when it comes to receipts, how you might be able to split this into multiple differentials here. I'll make a video on that later, but now I want to show you how you can generate your Schedule C or T2. So what you do, you come in here to Reports. Now on the Reports, you could see here, you can get a quick report. I can get a Schedule C, which is the 1099 form for if I'm a contractor or I'm an independent contractor or small business owner. You could see right here, I have my Schedule C made for me, so I can print this out, and you can see how it generated this. It's calculated my income, and it broke down my expenses in the right categories that the IRS expects. So you could see this right here. Commissions and fees, expenses, you can see all this, deductible meals, all that. And it follows the rules that this actually works with. So we also tell you, hey, please send this to an accountant. Make sure you check it out, but your accountant will really appreciate this because it takes a lot of time to prepare this, but you can see in one click you have this. Now, if you are in Canada, you can call me here and generate what we call it T2125. I can click on this, and in a few seconds, you're going to get the Canadian T2125 exactly generated in accordance with the rules. So this is the Canadian T2. You could see here as well, income. Even the line items are calculated for you exactly based on the rules around the Canadian system. So, of course, you can send this to your accountant as well. You can add their email right here, email this to them. You can download a full report. You can print this out right here, and it simplifies your taxes. So yeah, this is Rocket Receipts, and this is how we create summaries. Let us know what you think.